In this video, I'll show you how to configure the various firing modes, firing rates, and also presets for the new firmware for the Phenom X7. Right now we are in preset number 1. You can tell by one blinking green light. This is 30 balls per second, full auto. You can change presets while the gun is running by just hitting the button. Now there's two blinking lights. This should be a very slow firing rate, 3-round burst, just to prove that you can have different firing rates. And then the third preset, which is auto response. And now you can click it again and it'll cycle back to the first preset, full auto. And now how to program these presets. You push and hold the programming button, turn the gun on, wait, hold it for 2 seconds, and you'll now see an orange light. One blink means this is the first preset. Pull the trigger and now you can see pull the trigger, now you can see 2. That's the second preset. Pull the trigger again, and now that's 3. Let's go into the second preset so we can increase the firing rate on the 3-round burst. Pull and hold. And now you're in the menu to configure the firing mode, firing rate, everything else. These menus that you'll see here are the same for all the presets. So the green and red alternating, that is the firing mode. So we can go in there and change it to full auto or auto response if we wanted, but right now we're going to leave it at 3-round burst. The second menu is firing rate. That's the one we want to go into. I'm going to show you the next menu really quick. This is the number of rounds fired in a burst. So right now it's configured to 3, but you can configure it to anywhere between 2 and 10 rounds that come out. And then we cycle back and we're back at the beginning. Firing mode, firing rate. So let's go into firing rate. You pull the trigger and hold it for 2 seconds. And now you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can go ahead and up that to like 20. And then on the 21st we hold, release. You see it's solid orange for a second. And now we're back at the main menu, which is the presets that you want to edit. There's preset number 1, preset number 2, and preset number 3. Once you're done configuring these presets, you turn the gun off and back on. Orange light will indicate which preset you're on. That's full auto. So now let's go check our 3-round burst. Push and let go. There's 2. That's preset number 2. That's a much faster 3-round burst. And there you have it. So just for review, enter programming mode by holding the button down for 2 seconds, release. There's your preset. Cycle through menus by pulling the trigger and releasing. Enter menus by pulling the trigger, holding it down. And once you're inside the pre-mode, or preset mode, there's firing mode, firing rate, and number of burst. And it cycles back to the beginning. Okay. Any questions, please add comments to the forum or the wiki and let me know.